Reyes fans in YouTube? It's Gabriel Reyes, and I am here with a Halloween edition of Gabriel's Fashion Sense, in which I'm going to show you guys on a do-it-yourself costume, in which I'm going to show you guys how to dress up like a cholo, or chola, or however you interpret this video that you're going to watch. And I'm going to show you guys how to dress up like a cholo using all of my Levi's clothing. So I'm gonna show you guys how to dress up like a cholo, and depending on how you guys spice it up yourself, like put your own style into it, that's alright. Again, make it your own. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing to have on is a white beater, because a lot of young Hispanic men, Hispanic boys, and all that, they always wear a white beater or a black beater. So again, whichever like tank top you guys are wearing, pick whichever one fits for you. And like I said, white tank tops, black tank tops, it's the usual starter for a cholo. So another thing to have on is bandanas, and for me, I've chosen to wear a black bandana. And for you guys, whatever type of colors that you're wearing or so, you can match it with, you can match a black bandana with any of them. But if you have like blue, red, pink, green, or whatever, pick whatever colors you guys are gonna have. But sometimes a black will pretty much go with anything. And of course, I'm wearing the bandana in this style. And however you wear your bandanas, that's totally up to you. Wear them however you want to wear them. Now, another part of the costume that you want to put together for your cholo outfit is picking out a good pair of shorts, denim shorts. Now, these are my black Levi shorts, and for common sense, you want to go at least one size up of what you wear with your shorts, because sometimes with cholos, they always wear them a little bit loose, just for good comfort and everything. So you definitely want to wear that. And also another thing that cholos are known for wearing are high knee socks, and that's the particular piece of clothing, socks, that cholos and cholas wear. So depending on like how you want your cholo costume to look, go with high knee socks, because that's the standard look and standard clothing for a cholo or chola, depending on which one you're going for. And depending on the socks, that is totally up to you. If you want to wear them white socks, black socks, or graphic colored socks, it's up to you, depending on how you want to look. So again, go with either black shorts, Levi shorts, or Dickies. If you have loose Dickies shorts, go for that. And of course, high knee socks. Now, the very most important part of a cholo costume is the flannel shirt. Now, depending on the color and everything that you're going with, that's totally up to you. But a flannel shirt is the most important thing for a cholo costume, because flannel shirts are such a thing for cholos and cholas. For a lot of young Hispanic men and Hispanic women, girls, boys, and all that, flannel shirts are such a definite thing to have, and that's something that you want to have if you're going to go with a cholo costume. And of course, with a flannel shirt, you want to make sure you have like really cool like patterns on the shirt, such as this one. And you can totally go with any kind of color and any kind of style that you want to pretty much go with. Now, another thing about going with the flannel shirt is that you can have it in many ways. For example, like right now, I have it all buttoned up all the way. Now, sometimes there are cholos who actually button up their shirts all the way, because they want to go with that closed cholo look, just to show off the shirt and everything that you have. So this is the typical way. So another way of wearing your flannel shirt is only having the very top button up, and then have the rest of the shirt open, so that gives you more of the cholo look. Because there are a lot of cholo costumes and a lot of cholos out there who actually wear their flannel shirts with just one button up and then all the buttons come open. Sometimes they like to wear like this, so it gives them more of like a wave kind of look, you know, so you can show off your white tank top or your black tank top or whatever you got under there. So, you know, that's the other look for a cholo. And the third part of wearing a flannel shirt is having all the buttons open and having an open shirt. And that is the third way of wearing your flannel shirt, dressing up as a cholo. And for this look, you know, it's just a typical look, you know, it gives you more of an opening, definitely makes you more, you know, fit for what you're going with your cholo look. Alright, you guys, so now the very most important thing about your cholo costume, most of all, is the shoes. Now, depending on the type of shoes that you're gonna go with, you know, whether they're Converse, Nikes, or any kind of shoes that you have, you definitely want to have a pair that really match what you're going with your cholo costume. And for me, I'm choosing my Nike sneakers, and for these kind, they really match for what I'm showing you guys with my cholo costume that you guys can go with. And depending on like the colors and everything, you know, the colors really don't have to matter, but if you're gonna go with an all white shoe and everything along with your socks and your outfit, you know, that's definitely something to have. Alright, you guys, now to show you the full costume. Alright, you guys, so here's pretty much like my full cholo outfit, if you can see it all. And here, let me raise it up a bit. There, that way you guys can see the full length of my leg with my socks and shoes. And as such, this is a standard look of a cholo, and if you're gonna go with this look, go ahead. And as I said earlier, go with any color flannel shirt that you have, go with any bandana, go with a white or black tank top, and go with any kind of Levi's or Dickies shorts that you have, as well as going with knee-high socks and any kind of tennis shoes that you have that'll go with this cholo outfit. And if you're gonna dress up like a cholo, you know, go all out. Go with whatever that you have to go with this look. Alright, now before I go, another thing that you're gonna go with as a cholo, if for some of you guys, if you're able to grow facial hair, grow a mustache, goatee, grow a beard if you can, you know, to really give you that cholo look. If you're gonna go all full out cholo, then grow a mustache, goatee, or whatever. If you're able to grow facial hair, grow it out, so that way it gives you that cholo look. Alright, you guys, so that was a do-it-yourself cholo costume video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell as well, so you know when my next video is coming up. Alright guys, I'm Gabriel Reyes, I'm out, so happy Halloween if you're going as a cholo.